The videos how to make this bag are already in the training class, step by step from the scratch, the required materials, both the interior, the exterior, pattern making and everything are well recorded in the training class. This is the base. I actually do not have too much English about this bag to write a speech about this bag because the bag itself is a speech. That is the laptop compartment separately. What can this bag contain? How many CL is this? 60 CL. The second one, 50 CL. Let's go to the other side. How many CL is this? 60 CL. The second one. The second one is also 60 CL. Freely inside. Though you have to a little bit thrust them inside. It's an elastic material. It's elastic. So can you see it? And it's still locked, completely locked. Now let's open it. Let's position this camera so we can see the content. So this is the first bottle. This one, like I've said, is where is it, man? 50 CL is this one. Then the second one is 60 CL. 60 CL. This one is also 60 CL. So these four bottles inside, just outside here. Then the external compartment. Let's see what we have here. The first thing here is a power bank. Let's position this camera. This is a power bank. Can you see it? Good. Then your food, of course. How many inches? We have a measuring tape here, so we're gonna test it for you to see. This is 3 inches, okay? It's 2.9 inches by, we have 6 inches. The base is 5.3 inches. The top cover here we have 7 inches by the length of 4.5. Then the second one is also here, okay? Probably your swallow fry from Nigeria, or your rice and then your stew, whatever, okay? And then you have it. So now the main compartment can contain your laptop. We have your books, your clutch bag, of course, your fashion clutch bag. Okay, yes, this fashion clutch bags, how many inches is this one? This is 10 inches and then 6.5 or something. All right, yes. And then we have, you can see it, okay, yes, inside And then your laptop can also go in here. So if you want to place your order, you can kindly message me on WhatsApp. I will deliver to you. Are you in Kenya? Are you in South Africa, Botswana, USA, Canada? Are you in Dubai, China? You are in Nigeria? Are you in Lagos State? Are you in Abuja? Are you at Ogun State, Osun State, Delta, Taraba, Yaounde, at what do we call it, Cameroon? Okay. Are you in Accra, Ghana? Are you in Botswana? So wherever you are, we're gonna deliver to you. Like, just mention your country, your state, your location, will deliver this to you. All right. Yes, so bless you guys. This is high level of Grace HLG, the full-time private online teacher of classic bags and shoemaking right in the city of Abuja. That's the federal capital territory of Nigeria. Okay, Abuja. But currently this is Lagos State. Okay. Yes, this is Lagos State. I forgot there's also a pocket here. Yes, it's a deep pocket, can contain maybe like $1 million. All right, yes. And that is it. I'm done, guys. So these are the items that came out of that bag. You can see them. You can see the items all from this bag. If you want to learn this bag, then it's already in the master's class, step by step, from scratch measurements, pattern making, and everything to the finishing. Okay. And then if you want to buy the bag, it's available. Okay, so whatever color of your choice, the size of your choice, you just have to let us know exactly what you want to use the bag for. All right, the contents or the set measurement here is absolutely okay. You have your clutch bag. All right, your clothes can also go inside your laptop and all of that. So these are the little things we can put inside just to demonstrate and let you know how the size and what the bag can contain. Okay, yes, it's actually a high quality leather. We are never gonna take too much time to use a lower quality materials and go through all the stress of these designs. No, bro. All right, so the zips are high quality zips. Okay, double zip, well padded. The lining, all right, you're gonna love it. Come to my DM to place your orders, guys, and if you're a student, then you can go to the master's class to learn how to make this bag. Bye.